Akwụkwọ akwụkwọ na-atọ ụtọ, ọ na-ahịarụ na mmụta, onye nwere nkasi obi ọ ga-amụta akwụkwọ. Ma ọ bụrụ na nne gị na nna gị nwee ego, ma ọ bụrụ na nne gị na nna gị nwee ego, achịrịmọchị ha 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 ewo, achịrịmọchị ha 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 ewo. Igbo kwenu ya, Igbo kwenu ya, Igbo kwezono, yeah. Welcome back to my channel, IGBOTIC. So today I have a very nice topic that I want to teach us. This is a topic for beginners. So we're going to be doing single words in Igbo language, and I'm going to be telling you both in English and in Igbo. The reason why I use English and Igbo is because most people don't know how to speak Igbo. So I speak in English, then on Kawaya Igbo. Then I expatiate in Igbo, if you get what I mean. So let's go right into it. Up. Up is elu. Up is elu. Elu. Some people say enu. I grew up saying enu. Elu. Enu. Whichever one is correct. Down is ana or ala. Ala or ana. Ala or ana. You can say ana, you can say ala. Side, side, by my side, by my side. Side is akoko. 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 So if I want to say come to my side, say come to my side, I will say bia na kokum. So side is akoko. Your side, akoko. Okay? Good. In the middle or in between is netiti. In the middle is netiti. Netiti. Etiti. Etiti is middle. So if you want to say in the middle, na etiti. Na etiti. But middle itself is etiti. Etiti. Okay? Front is ihu. Front is ihu. I know that even in parts of the body, the face is ihu. So you can remember that easily by saying the front is ihu. Some people say iru, ganiru, go front, go forward. Ganihu, go front, go forward. So front is ihu. Back is azu. Just the same way in when you're talking about parts of the body and you're talking about the back of a person, as in the actual back is azu. Hey, that's the same way. It's like back is also azu. Back is azu. Azu. So behind me would be azum. Behind me would be like azum. I know that most people know how to say keda hagi, but when you now say aha, they're like, what is aha? Aha is name. Name, aha. Name, aha. Name, aha. Surname or last name, ahanna. Ahanna. The reason why it's ahanna is in Igbo language, the Igbo culture recognizes that a child bears the name, his father's last name as his last name, not his mother's last name. Okay, so that's why it's called ahanna. So aha is name and then nna is father. So your father's name is your last name. Okay, ahanna is last name. Wait, chere. Wait, chere. Wait, chere. Wait for me, cheremu. Wait for me, cheremu. Wait for me, cheremu. Come. Everybody knows come. Bia, bia, bia. Come, bia. Bia eba is come here. Bia eba is come here. I'm going to try and stick to one word like I said because I've seen myself doing two words now. Bia is come. Gawa, ga, po, go, gawa, ga, po. There's a lot of ways to say go. Gawa, jewe, ga, po, gawa, jewe, ga, po. You know, there's a few ways to say go. Go is ga. Man is nwoke. Man is nwoke. Man, nwoke. Woman is nwanyị. So the female species, the female gender is nwanyị. The male gender is nwoke. Okay, so even if it's a little baby that was giving birth today, if it's male, it's nwoke. If it's a little baby that was giving birth today, if it's female, it's nwanyị. In Igbo, we don't have transgender and all the LBTQ, IQ and the rest. We don't have. We have man and woman. Ozugo. That's where our own end. Man, woman, nwoke, nwanyị. We don't have anything for ndozo. Tall, ogologo. Tall, ogologo. Some people say ogonogo. I actually say ogonogo, but I think Igbo is ogologo. Ogologo. Tall, ogologo. Short, like some of us. Short. Short. Small, obere. Small, obere. Remember, short is Now, short and small is not the same thing. Short, small. So, small, obere, obere, or ntakiri. You can also say ntakiri, or you can also say nta for small. Obere, ntakiri, nta for small. Okay, small. Skinny, girigiri, girigiri, gere or gele is I think the thing is I am Anambra, so Anambra people will always change R for L. So gere is skinny, or like somebody's like I think I know blood. I think I know blood would be a way to say it, to be like a funny insult. I think I know blood is like skinny person and there's no blood in their body. Gere, or you can say gere. And then if you want to say that somebody has lost weight, I mean, and this is not one word, but since we're talking about skinny, is otarahu. It means that, you know, they shrunk or they lost some weight. Okay, otarahu. Big is nnukwu. Nnukwu is big. Big is nnukwu. Fat is ibu. Fat is ibu. So fat is ibu. Okay, big, nnukwu. Something is big, it's odinuku. Then somebody is fat, oburibu. So fat is ibu. Then to say he is fat, oburibu. You know. So that's it. I wanted to put those two side by side to avoid confusion. Under, okpuru. Under, okpuru. Under, okpuru. So to say under the chair, okpuru. Or the n'okpuru oche. Under the chair, okpuru oche. Under, okpuru. Thank you. Igbo people will say thank you a lot. I need to put thank you rinne. Thank you is dalu. 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 Thank you. Dalu. Now, well done is imeela. Imeela. In Igbo, thank you and well done is very much interchangeably used. So you can hear somebody say imeela, and then it's also a way of saying thank you. It's like well done. And dalu is also a way of saying thank you. And people even say the both together. It's like imeela dalu. Oh, dalu imeela. You know, whichever way is used is still trying to say thank you and acknowledge what you have done. Okay? Sorry, ndo. Sorry, ndo. You should all know that one. Thank you, well done, sorry. It's usually used every single day, so we should all know how to use that. Okay? Mba. No, mba. No, mba. N-O, no, mba. You hear people say mba 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 mba. It's like no 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 mba 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 mba. Mba is no. Is yes. Is yes. Mba is no. Is yes. Mba is no. Come on. Is yes. Mba is the. mba, mba. Okay, moving on. Right hand is akanri. Right hand is akanri. So akanri literally translates to the hand you use to eat. Akanri. So nri or nni is food. So akanri is your right hand. Ekpe is left hand. Ekpe is left hand. Akanri, right hand. Ekpe, left hand. Akanni, right hand. Ekpe, left hand. Iga ije. Walk. Iga ije. Ije. Jen. Waka waka. Walk. Iga ije. The baby is walking. Nwa na-aga ije. Nwa agaba ije. Ọ na-agazi ije. Hey! Iga ije is to walk. Ga ije, you know. However you mepe is open. Mepe, open. Mechie, close. Mepe, open. Mechie, close. Mepe, open. Mechie, close. So mepono is that open your mouth. Mechiono is close your mouth. I'm sure a lot of you, even if you cannot speak Igbo, your parents have said mechiono to you. So like, shut up, mechiono, close your mouth. Mechiono is close your mouth. Mepono is open your mouth. Yeah. So start is bido or malite. Start, bido or malite. Start, bido, or you can say malite. Stop, kwụsị. Stop, kwụsị. Stop, kwụsị. Take, were. Take, were. Take, were. Some people say nara. Take, nara. If you know the song nara, nara, nare kele, it's like take all the thanksgiving, take all the glory. So nara is take, were is also take. So give is nye, 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 give, nye. Some is ụfọdụ, ụfọdụ, some, ụfọdụ, some. So some people, ụfọdụ ndị mmadụ, ụfọdụ ndị mmadụ. So ụfọdụ bụ some in Igbo. Some, ụfọdụ. Egwu, music, egwu. Music is egwu. Now, music is egwu. Dance is ịgba egwu. Dance, ịgba egwu. To sing is ịgụ egwu. To sing is ịgụ egwu. So music is egwu. Now, to dance the music is ịgba egwu. To sing the music is ịgụ egwu. Black is oji. Oji, like we are black people. Anyị bụ ndị oji. Anyị bụ ndị oji. Oji is black. Oji is black. Black is beautiful. Akuku is book. Akuku is book. Akuku is book. And if you're in school, take your books seriously because your parents are doing really good by sending you to school. So akuku is book. Okay? Put, tinye. Put, tinye. Put, tinye. Tinye is put. Night, abali. Some people say abani. Abali or abani. Abali or abani. Abali. Abani is night. Again, ozo. 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 So for instance, say it again. Kwoya ozo. Again is ozo. Again, ozo. For instance, kwoya ozo. So ozo is again. Trouble. Nsogbu. Nsogbu is trouble. Nsogbu is trouble. Nsogbu is trouble. Peace. Udo. Peace. Udo. You know, we can't say trouble without saying peace. peace, udo. So you notice these days that even Igbo people, when they are done like talking to each other, and they just, instead of saying like peace, they say udo. So I now use it a lot, like, because I went to Onitsha and I found out they were saying it a lot, and I really loved it. I love the fact that, you know, we are embracing our Igbo, we are speaking our Igbo, and even here abroad, a lot of people are saying udo at the end of the conversation. They're like udo. Hey, I love it, udo. So I'll say it at the end of this lesson, udo. Quick or fast, ngwa ngwa, or some people say osiso, ngwa ngwa, osiso, ozugbo ozugbo, quick, sharp, fast, osiso, ngwa ngwa, ozugbo ozugbo, kita. So you can say ngwa ngwa, osiso, ozugbo ozugbo, kita. Osiso, ngwa ngwa, ozugbo ozugbo, kita. There's so many ways of saying like now, sharp, immediately, quick, hurry up. You can see ngwa ngwa, osiso, ozugbo ozugbo, kita. Hold, jide. Hold this for me. Jide is hold. Hold is jide. Okay. Love is ifunanya. Some say ihunanya. I say ifunanya. I'm Anambra, so ifunanya. I am gonna be because of ifunanya. Ifunanya is love, oh, we couldn't. Chest is obi, heart is mpurobi. So it's like chest is obi, then heart is mpurobi. Heart is mpurobi, okay? Mpurobi is your heart. Sleep is ora, or some people say ola. Ora or ola. Ora or ola is sleep. Sweet is oto. Oso. It is sweet or the oso or the oto. Or the oso or the oto. It is sweet or the oto. It is sweet or the oto or the oso. So sweet is oso or oto. Friend is any. Friend is any. Any more Jesus, onyoma. Any onyoma. Any is friend. Any is friend. Not any. Any is spelled the same way. Any is elephant. Any is friend. Anger. Iwe. Anger. Iwe. You also hear people say iwoko. It's like hot. Iwoko is like hot temper. A hot temper, like, is iwoko. Iwoko is fire. So iwe is already anger on its own. They now add iwoko. So anger and oko, fire, together, everywhere will scatter. Anger, iwe. Hot temper, iwoko. The whole house will burn down. Please, biko. Please, biko. Please. Please wait, like for example, please wait, biko chere, please come, biko bia, you know, so we can start putting some of these words together, you know, that we've done in this lesson, and you can actually form really short, simple sentences from these single Igbo words that I'm teaching us. Joy, anwuri. Anwuri is joy. That's a lot of people's names in Igbo, anwuri, and some people say anwole with R, anwole with L is still joy. Okay guys, I think I've done about 50 or more, I'm not sure at this point, but obviously it's endless, the single words we can get in Igbo language, and we could just start putting them together and practicing with these things. It's best, the best form of learning Igbo language is to practice it at home. If you have Igbo parents that haven't been speaking Igbo to you, set a rule in the house that when we come to this house, it's Igbo language, and you're going to see the improvements in no time. Igbo language or nothing. When you go outside, English is fine. When you come into the house, it's strictly Igbo language. And don't be sad when you're corrected. Don't feel like, first of all, don't laugh at people when you're correcting them, and then when you get laughed at, Seriously, you have to tell them to stop laughing at you. You're trying to learn the language. If they had taught you the language, you wouldn't be here making mistakes, okay? So if they had taught you the language, you wouldn't be speaking it as good as they are speaking it because their parents taught them or their environment taught them. So please don't be discouraged when someone laughs at you for speaking Igbo wrongly. Just tell them that, no, you can't laugh. Like, you have to teach me, you were taught. Seriously, stop laughing at people and stop being discouraged when you're laughed at. Stand up for yourself and push forward, okay? Push forward because you want to learn your beautiful Igbo language. So we've come to the end of this lesson. I'm going to have another lesson. I'll probably be doing 2 words, 2 Igbo words, you know, just to merge 2 words together to give us like really simple short sentences. Until then, Udo, hey.